Who the hell has been looking after you? If they can't even get antivirus right, what else are they going to get wrong? So this week we are going to be talking about antivirus. So this is following on from our cybersecurity overview where we covered a few topics. And we're starting with antivirus because it's such a basic requirement that you need. It's something so easy to get right. All you need to do is make sure you have it, make sure it's licensed properly. It's quite a common misconception out there that you don't need antivirus on your servers, which is a load of junk really. You do need antivirus on your servers. I don't know why people would ever think you don't need it on your servers. There's some rationale out there that you don't actually log onto your servers, you're not actually doing anything on your servers, so you don't need it. But why wouldn't you? You know, your data's stored on that server, your users are accessing the data that's on their server. It's just absolutely mind-boggling why you wouldn't put antivirus on your server. And then it's really a question of what antivirus do you go for. Most of the free antiviruses out there will not be licensed for commercial purposes. So things like AVG or Avast, they all have their own free versions. So you're not allowed to be using that in your business. And actually, it's even worse because lots of the home products will bundle in so much crap into their antivirus products. They'll bundle in firewalls, they'll bundle in web browser protection, they'll bundle in website protection and email protection, and all of these things will just slow your computers down so much. Anything like Bitdefender, Sophos, McAfee, Symantec, there's tons and tons of products out there. I'm not going to go into recommending which one to go for. By the time I've recorded this video, one of the other products could be better. You know, it changes all the time. You know, one week one antivirus product will be better because they released a definition before anybody else. The next week someone else will get to there first, and they will release their definitions first. Do you need to install antivirus on your Apple machines? It's a very good question, and it's one that's divided opinion for a while really. And my personal opinion is that you don't need it. The built-in protection within the OS X software is actually pretty good. However, I would caveat that and say if you're a person that has a tendency to get infected quite often, then I would say antivirus is well worth having on a Mac machine. There's still the ratio, so there's more Windows machines out there, more people are writing viruses for Windows machines, less for the Macs. That's not to say the Macs won't get any viruses, it just means the law of averages mean more people are writing on Windows and more people are writing viruses for Windows. So that's 2 Minute Tuesday for the cybersecurity this week. In summary, antivirus, you need it on everything. Any questions, drop them in the comments box below. If you like the video, please click on the like button again, and please hit subscribe if you want to be notified on our future videos. So keep your eye out for those, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.